Welcome everyone. Inshallah, in this session, we will cover the ManageEngine EventLog Analyzer with a brief demo. To start with, let me please introduce myself. My name is Abdullah Saleh from IT Pillars. I would like to thank you all for joining our session today. In this session, we will explore ManageEngine EventLog Analyzer, which is considered a powerful unified solution for log management and compliance. The agenda for today will be start with what is ManageEngine EventLog Analyzer and why we have to choose it as our SIM solution. Then we will cover the EventLog Analyzer features and how the solution can help your organization. Then supported log sources with the EventLog Analyzer architecture. Start with what's ManageEngine and what type of products they are covering or category. ManageEngine is considered the biggest division of Zoho Corporation. They cover multiple type of category in the software cycle. To start with the Active Directory, they do have the AD360 with a full bundle of multiple products like AD Manager, AD Audit, AD Self-Service. With the Help Desk, they have the Service Desk Plus, which is ticketing system. And the desktop, they do have the Endpoint Central, which is considered as a EDR, endpoint detection and response. As well for the mobile, they do have the mobile device management to manage your organization in mobile. For the network and servers, they do have the OP Manager and Site 24/7, which is IT operation management solutions. For the applications, they have the Application Manager, which is a software will help you to know the performance of your application, the real-time users, etc. And the security part, they have the SIM solution, which is we are covering for today. They do have the Cloud Security, Data Security Plus, as well the M365, SharePoint Security, etc. In the Analytics and the Cloud, in the Analytics, we have the Analytics Plus, which is a solution will help you to analyze and detect your KPIs. As well in the cloud, most of the ManageEngine solutions comes as either on-prem or cloud-based solutions. Now, what's IT Pillars and when we are started in the market? IT Pillars started in the market more than 15 years. We do have more than 15 years in the IT management solutions. As well, we have more than 500 existing clients. We are 60 plus employees now, and we are offering 90 plus products, either paid or free for IT management. And our location, we have 3 locations for now. The headquarters is in Jeddah, and we have office in Riyadh as well in Egypt. And we are considered as a gold partner for ManageEngine and Zoho Corporation, as well for Automate. Now, what is EventLog Analyzer and how can we get the benefit of this product? Actually, EventLog Analyzer considered as the ManageEngine SIM solution that collects, monitor, and analyze the log data across the IT environments. It also simplifies the compliance with the predefined report for standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI, etc., which making your audits faster and easier. As you can see in the SIM, how the cycle works, to start with the log collection, then log processing, then storage. After the storage, we do have the querying, then correlation, dashboards, alert, then the incident management. Okay, now we have 5 reasons of how or why to choose EventLog Analyzer. To start with the high-speed log processing. In EventLog Analyzer, it can support 25,000 logs per second as processing and detecting in real time and conduct quick forensics analytics reports. Then for the real-time security auditing, once you are open the system and log in the system can at real time, which we consider RMM, do the auditing for the logs. As well, you can search in the audit and we can say it's live. The comprehensive log management. Here in the EventLog Analyzer, you can collect, analyze, correlate, search, and archive the log data over 700 log sources. we will discover the log sources or supported log after 5 minutes. And the instant threat detection and mitigation. Here in the system, we support something called correlation rules. In the correlation, either we create it or we can use the predefined correlation rules from ManageEngine, which will help us to detect if any threat is coming up to our system. In the compliance management, we supported the most, say, trend or demanded compliance in either Globe or in Saudi Arabia. So the system can help you to generate a report which will make your time less and your effort easier and less in the auditing phases. And now let's take a quick look about the event log analyzer features. The first one is real-time log collection and monitoring. So you can collect your logs from multiple vendors and start do the investigation and monitoring for your logs. Then the compliance reporting. As I said before, we can generate any type of reports in the compliance, which will help us in the auditing phase. The user entity and behavior analytics. And this specific module, we consider it as a separate module in the application. This module, the main idea of it, that once you deploy the system, it will take up to 7 days to study, let's say, or to be deployed or to analyze your system data. How it will work. Let's say I am a normal user or employee in the company. Usually I logged in the system from 9 to 6. After 7 days, the system will like read and put my data in the system that Abdullah will be logged in from 9 to 6. After 1 month, the system will detect, let's say, an abnormal log that Abdullah has been logged in the system from 7 to 8. So this login status or attempt will be considered as a threat. The system can generate and open a new request or incident to the IT help desk team or security team. In the log forensics, it will consider as advanced search for like it will help you to do or the root analysis and for the log. And the custom dashboard and report, any solution from ManageEngine, you can do the fully customizable in the dashboard as well in the report. Either you used from the predefined report or you can generate a new custom report. We will talk about how the event log analyzer will help your organization. Here we do have 4 main categories. Start with ensure that your organization is compliant. How? By giving you a simplified report, which will help you to generate those reports and give them to the auditor to pass the audit. Then the second point is to reduce manual effort by do the automation for the log collection, analysis, and reporting. So you will save the IT team time as well the resources by doing those things manually. The third point will be support the decision making by doing the customization for the dashboard, so you can see the live data, the logs, analysis result, etc. All of those data, which can help you to do the decision better and safer. The fourth point will be about improve the security posture by detecting the threats early before anything happened to the system. How? Let's say if I have the AD Manager product from ManageEngine, I can do the integration between the event log analyzer as well the AD Manager. The thing is, let's say if a user do an abnormal attempt or log to the system, the event log analyzer between the AD Manager integration can disable the user directly from the Active Directory, so it will make your security better. We'll take a quick look about the supported log sources. To start with the database, we supported SQL, Oracle, etc. Just like a small view. And the router and switches, Cisco, Huawei as well, HP, Juniper, etc. Linux as well, vulnerability scanners. We support Nmap, OpenVAS, Endpoint Central. Hypervisor will support Microsoft Hyper-V as well, VMware, and the firewalls will support the like top famous vendors like Palo Alto, Fortinet, Cisco, etc. As well for the endpoint security solutions, we support Kaspersky, McAfee, etc. Now we'll have a quick look about the EventLog Analyzer architecture for the standalone edition. Here, as you can see, we will start with the log sources. Either it was custom log or application log, vulnerability scanners, etc., any type of log. Then we have two options. Either we will deploy an agent or agentless by forwarding the logs to the server directly, syslog server. We'll start by the parsing engine, the search engine, the report builder, the archive engine, etc., as well the Elasticsearch to search into your logs, either do the basic search or build a criteria through the advanced search method. And then the threat feeds or ManageEngine cloud server will be contacted directly to give you if it's a threat or not. After you finish those ways, you can go directly to the report and alert. If any threat detected, you will receive an alert. As well, you can generate a custom or pre-built report. The second edition is considered as a distributed edition. In the distributed edition, if you have multi-branch and you want to monitor those branches, what you can do, can use the distributed engine. How it works, you can deploy a probe, as you can see, the managed server, 3 servers, and each server responsible for his branch. Then you can forward the 3 probes to the main server, and you can access them through this one portal. If you want to talk about use cases and real-world scenarios, start about the insider threat detection. You can monitor the behavior as well receive the alert for any unusual logs to the system. For the compliance audit support, the system can help you to generate the ready reports to use for standards. Let's say here in Saudi Arabia, for the NCA, for the Active Directory monitoring, you can forward the logs from your Active Directory, either it was on-prem or cloud, like Entra-ID, and start to do the analyzing for the logs, which will help you to make your organization safe. For the network devices logs, you can forward here the logs from your router, switches, firewalls as well to scan the report, open ports to check if any rule in the firewall is unused, so you can take your action better. Now we will give you just small or quick live demo from ManageEngine. To start with the LogMe portal, which will show you what type of log sources we are supporting. Here, if we go to the Windows infrastructure, we support the Active Directory servers, file servers. In the cloud, we support AWS, Salesforce as well, database, Oracle, SQL, MySQL, IBM, the web stack as well, network devices, Linux, Hyper-V, goes to finally either you can do a custom syslog device and to forward the logs to start do the analyzing. And for the ManageEngine application, we support the integration with Service Desk, AD Audit, AD Self, AD Measure, as well the OP Measure, which is considered under the item. For the report module in the Event Log Analyzer, as you can see, we have main categories. Here for the server and workstations, we can filter based on Windows or Linux server. Let's take Windows server as example. We have those type of report, the Windows event, trend reports, device, system events as well. Service audit, you can check the service started, paused, stopped. Work policy server, access granted to users, discarded request for users, etc. Domain event, as well from the manage report, you can create a new custom report and add it under the Windows section. The network devices, you can filter through the device vendor, let's say Cisco. Under the Cisco, if we click on the all event, we can check this device with the IP address, the source, the severity as well, the display name. You can filter those data as well and click on generate or export to export this report. As well, you can do it as a report to schedule it and receive it, let's say each quarter, each week, each day in your email. If we click here on the device, click on the device summary, we can check the device or hardware summary, the important event, the recent alert we received to this specific device with this color reflect the severity of the alarm. And you can filter the data through a timestamp. Same goes on for the all type of report. Compliance part, as you can see, we supported most likely all the globe compliance. Let's take an example for one under the Saudi national, which is SAMA. If we click on the SAMA here, you can see which type of report the system can generate specifically for the SAMA requirement. Here under the detailed Windows logon report, you can check the interactive logon, the network logon. For the policy change, you can check the user right assigned, the right removed. For the Windows system events, you can check the AD backup error with all of those type of reports. Let's take an example with interactive logon. You can check the timestamp for the logon, the logged on, the name of the machine name. Here you can check it, as well the logged on to which IP address, as well the username. You can filter this data as well generate it as a report. Let's say if you are using a specific compliance in your company, which is non-globe, what you can do, you can build your own custom compliance from here. Create a new compliance on the device, either Windows, Linux, network device, etc., and build your own compliance. And ManageEngine here, add a new feature called risk posture. As you can see here in the risk posture, you have a score. This score can be identified either to low or no risk or the high risk. If we go to the high risk, you can see, let's say, this as an example, the remote access, ensure the remote access server configuration option is set to 0, which considered as high risk. What you can do, they added this button, which how to fix it. If you click on it, you can see the recommendation from ManageEngine. Once you did this recommendation, your score will be higher. As well, you can export this as a report and send it through email. Now we will cover the search module into your logs, how you can search your logs. We have actually two options, either use the basic search or the advanced search. If we go to the basic search, we can pick the log sources. Let's select all. Now we can filter the log type, Windows, Linux, etc. Let's take Linux as an example. Click on search. Okay. We do have all of those data as per our search or filter. You can check the message, the key parameters, the file type. Here, as you can see, the display name is Unix. You can filter those data as you wish. Just select the column and add it. As well, let's say if I click on the source, which is local 0, all of our filter will be, as you can see here, added as a query. The system will search on this specific query. This is for the basic search. If we go to the advanced mean the system will allow you to search based on criteria. Here, as you can see, the severity equals to emergency. You can add a new criteria based on device, let's say, source, say equal to Cisco. You can add and start searching by the device. That's for the search module. In the correlation, which means you can add a new correlation rule. This correlation rule will help you to identify, to early identify if any threat is coming up to your system. How? Let's say if you take the brute force attack. In the brute force attack, ManageEngine built a predefined algorithm. So once you deploy the system, it will be available. This algorithm can detect if if this session or attempt to login can be identified to brute force or not. If it's under the brute force, you will receive an alert directly to your system. As well, let's say if you're using or you want to identify a specific type of correlation, you can build a new custom correlation rule from here. Click on manage rule, create a correlation rule, so you will build a fully customizable one. What options do you have here under the login events? Let's say successful login if the user has successful login attempt. For network device, you can check the fan failure for the database event. As well, we have many events to do and create your correlation rule from them. You can as well filter on the timestamp. You can schedule a report or export these data. Here you can check as well the event timeline, which is the history, which will help you to do the root cause, or let's say check the root cause or do a workaround for the specific attack. The alert module here, as you can see, the system can do or create a predefined dashboard, which will help you to do to check or know either if the alert considered as critical, trouble, or attention. As well, you can check all alerts. If we click on the trouble alert, you can check all of our received alerts. If I click on a specific one, you can check the alert with the message, the time, device affected, the severity as well, the status, etc. As well, you can see here that I can run a workflow, which I will describe now. How? If I go to the add alert profile, name test critical or trouble, let's say, I can add or specify a specific log source, then the criteria. I can build either based on predefined alert criteria or compliance alert criteria. Let's say if we go to the predefined criteria, which is access denied to users, I can specify the message that I will receive in the alarm. Here I can enable the threshold. Let's say in the threshold, if I received 3 alerts in the system, I will be notified. If it's under the 3 alerts, the system will remove the alert directly. Time range, if I want to enable it just in the working hours or non-working hours, I can do it, or I can do a customization. Here for the notification, I can receive the notification either on the email or SMS. If you can see here, I can enable a workflow. What they meant by workflow, if I can go to the add a new workflow. The workflow, let's say, I'm just want the system to be working on the working hours or business days, let's say, and I am on Friday, which is non-working days. I have received an alert. The system can take the action directly without any human interaction. How? By doing the workflow. In the workflow, we have multiple type of event or workflow that we can do. In the logic, we can check the time delay. In the network action, we can ping a device. Let's say a server is down, we can ping it to check if it's really down or not. The process, we can start, stop the process, and the service as well. And then notification, we can send pop-up message, send email, SMS. And the action, we can take it into the Active Directory. We can disable the user or delete the user as well. For the firewall, we can check the deny inbound rules or deny outbound rules. The endpoint, if we have the integration with endpoint, we can do the installation or approval for a patch. That's for the alert module. Finally, we will cover the dashboard for EventLog Analyzer. In the dashboard, you can either build a new widget or a new dashboard. You can see this is the main dashboard, which contains the all events, the Windows event, the syslog events, all devices, etc. As well, here the chart, which describes the logs trend, the top 5 devices. The recent alerts, you can check them as well from here. You can edit the widget, delete it, or generate from it a report. As well, what you can do a fully customization either by add a new tab or widget. You can drag and drop the widget to change it from a place to another as well. And that's it for the demo. Now we will cover just show you who's our client. Here you can see our valued client and the hours from EventLog analyzer that they earned. The hours. And finally, if you requested a demo, you're interested to take a demo or POC for this product or any ManageEngine product, you can contact those emails as well for any technical issue, proposals, etc. You can find us through those emails or contact us directly through the phone. You can take a screenshot or a photo for this specific slide. Does anybody have any specific question that we can help with? Any questions, please? Specific questions or something you want me to make it clear? Then I want to thank you all for your attention and time, and we are looking forward to hear from you or working from you as well. Thank you all.